Have you ever seen a fly walk on a wall or ceiling and wondered how it doesn't fall? Well, it turns out, flies are not just good at flying, they're also amazing walkers. And they have tiny sensors in their legs that help them stay balanced and move smoothly. A new study from scientists at Marshall and West Virginia University looked at blowflies and how their legs detect force using special sensors called campaniform sensilla. These are tiny little domes on the fly's leg that sense strain. That means they feel how much the leg is bending or being pressed. What's cool is these sensors don't just feel how hard something is pushing, they also sense how fast that force changes. Even a small, quick drop in pressure can make them stop firing signals. That means flies are always getting real-time updates about how their legs are doing. Pretty smart for such a tiny creature. This discovery is more than just cool biology. It could help engineers build better robots. By copying these tiny leg sensors, robots could walk more like real animals, stable, smooth, and smart. So next time you see a fly land on your wall, remember, there's a lot of high-tech sensing going on in those little legs.